The Dream Garage Project. Let's begin. Machine rental, concrete prep tool, floor maintainer, 2 things. Epoxy, paint tray, mini paint brush, roller, paint roller thing, little edge thing, spike shoes. I'll put the link down. 2 buckets. We're not sponsored, so I'm not gonna shout them out. Old school drill with not that attachment, but this attachment. Shop vac. A squeegee, because I'm not gonna paint, I'm gonna squeegee the epoxy, so we'll see how that goes. I started off by separating part A and part B of the epoxy. After I got both parts separated of part A, I filled the bucket with both parts of part A. I got my epoxy off the marketplace. It was a lot cheaper. I didn't feel like paying the $400. But essentially it was a 1-car garage, but they had 2 packs of it, and along with it they had this bare additive, which is like sand inside the epoxy to make it a non-slip. To avoid the crack down the middle because it's difficult to get the epoxy out once it's in there. You can see me making the mistake, and then after I make the mistake you can see me trying to correct it. However, I am running low on epoxy, so I have to use a roller to spread it out evenly. If you have an issue where your roller keeps coming off, I would bang it on the concrete, and whenever I did, it kept falling apart. However, if you plan to roll it, I would buy a secondary roller just to make sure that the backup in case it does get destroyed. Although the boxes say that this is made for technically a 2-car garage, this is a 2-car garage and there was not enough. So if you plan to add the little bits of flakes, I would buy extra, and then if you want to have a thicker layer of epoxy, I would definitely buy another box of epoxy, just due to the fact that this was such a thin layer, it's almost as if I just painted the garage.
I'll be painting those black, and then the walls either white or black. I haven't decided on that yet, but we're gonna patch up all the holes and be ready. And then, yeah, that'll be it. You can see where I messed up. I scuffed it whenever I kicked it, so let's do it again. Yeah, don't do as I do.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, learn from my mistakes.
So this is how the epoxy turned out. It's not bad. And then next episode is gonna be installing those lights, so yeah.